If you find yourself tired of lugging heavy traditional ladders around, you may want to look into the best telescoping ladders. Made from aluminum, they extend up to 10 feet or more, and then retract to a size small enough to carry under one arm. Telescoping ladders are popping up everywhere, but are they really sturdy enough to use safely? We wanted to know how durable these ladders are, so we decided to test the most popular ones on the market today. We didn't pull any punches with our tests. We put the ladders through their paces, with our main focus being on safety and stability. We checked to see if the ladder's shoes would slip on various surfaces, and we checked each ladder's overall strength and balance. Some of the ladders extend and contract in increments, so we tested to see how likely a user would be to get a finger pinched. Ahead, learn what features to look for when shopping for a telescoping ladder, and find out how each of the best telescoping ladders in this list fared in our tests. Spoiler: not all the ladders we tested earned a spot on this list, and we share that below as well. There are many products available to choose cheap telescoping ladder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap telescoping ladder from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Xtend Climb 770p Telescoping Ladders, 12.5 feet. The Xtend Climb telescoping ladder is no slacker. Of all the telescoping-only ladders we tested, this one is the most substantial in terms of weight and material quality. At 27 pounds, it's heavier than most, but it retracts to a handy 32 inches, and it comes with a padded foam grip located just under the second to bottom rung, that kept the metal from pressing into our palms as we carried it. We were able to easily extend the ladder to its full 12.5-foot height by pushing the top rung up, then the next, and the next until all the rungs were fully telescoped and locked in place. We then positioned the ladder against various objects, house walls, and trees to see how stable it was. The ladder didn't bow or sway when we climbed, and we felt it was every bit as sturdy as an older type extension ladder. Then we tested how the ladder retracted, and we were pleasantly surprised. While some telescoping and extension ladders come hurtling down, posing a danger to fingers, the Xtend ladder retracts rung by rung when the two side buttons are depressed softly. The Xtend Climb legs feature molded non-slip pads that hold the ladder in place. The manufacturer claims the ladder supports up to 225 pounds. While we didn't have 225 pounds to test that claim, it certainly seems solid enough for that. We don't doubt that this ladder could bear that much weight. Number 2. TOOLITIN Telescoping Ladder, 8.5 ft. When we first took this ladder out of the shipping box, we were amazed at how light it was, less than 16 pounds. It retracts to just 31 inches tall, and comes with a strap to secure the rungs when it's not in use. When retracted, the ladder slid easily into the gap next to the refrigerator, so this little ladder is highly suitable for using and storing in the house. The TOOLITIN ladder comes with a Type IAA rating, meaning it should support up to 375 pounds, but we questioned that. It's a nice little ladder, and it supported about 155 pounds and still felt secure, but it did flex and, when fully extended, it bowed inward just slightly. We feel safe recommending it for those who weigh less than 200 pounds, but not more. The extension and retraction motion is smooth and soft, and it doesn't take long to retract this ladder. We only had to depress both buttons on the bottom rung to lower the ladder. This is much quicker than lowering one rung at a time as some other ladders require. The non-slip feet stayed firmly planted when we used the ladder on a ceramic tile floor, no slipping. The TOOLITIN ladder is a basic telescoping ladder for all those out-of-reach chores, but it's a light-duty ladder. It's less than 20 inches wide, so don't use it to clean gutters or other tasks requiring reaching out to the side. It's best suited for quick retrieval of overhead items. It's good at what it does, but it's not a D-project ladder. Number 3. ARCHOM Folding Aluminum Telescopic Extension Ladders. At just 30 inches tall when retracted and weighing 13.9 pounds, we found it easy to carry the ARCHOM telescoping ladder and stow it in the trunk of the car. The extension and retraction movement is smooth and safe for fingers as it retracts only one rung at a time. We had no problem opening or closing the ladder. We extended the ARCHOM to its full height and leaned it against the kitchen wall. We checked to see if the feet would slip with someone on the ladder. They held firm. The rungs felt solid underfoot, but we doubt whether this ladder would hold up to 330 pounds as advertised. The ladder flexed slightly under 155 pounds of weight, so we figure anything over 200 pounds might be pushing it. We like the ladder a lot, but we think it's incorrectly rated. This is another light-duty telescoping ladder. It's beneficial for use when you need a ladder to reach items on a high shelf, but it's not stable enough for D projects or extended use. Its main value lies in being able to store it in a small place, such as beside the fridge or in a hall closet, making it quickly retrievable when you need to reach something overhead. It would make a very nice RV ladder as well. Number 4. Little Giant Ladders, Velocity with Wheels, 17 Fort. Ladders and unlevel surfaces don't mix. That is, until multi-purpose ladders, such as the Little Giant 17-foot ladder, came along. In the past, we've had to balance extension ladders on single steps or stairs, because there was no way to use a stepladder in those situations. The Little Giant solves that problem. Our favorite feature of this ladder is the ability to adjust it to fit virtually any step configuration, and still have a sturdy step-type ladder. We also tested its other configurations, including a double-sided step ladder and an extension ladder that reaches up to 17 feet high. In all positions, the Little Giant felt sturdy and stable. It comes with non-slip feet and is rated to hold up to 300 pounds. We feel as though it would easily live up to that weight limit. When we shifted our weight from side to side, the Little Giant held firm. There is a bit of flex at its full extension, but that's to be expected from a hinged ladder at that height. It's still stable. The hinges are all made from quality material, and for as tall as the Little Giant is, it's amazingly lightweight at just 32 pounds. However, when retracted, it's still 56 inches long, so it's more suitable for storing in a shed or garage than in the house. This ladder will withstand heavy DUs, and is also suitable on the job site. Number 5. Werner MT-22 Aluminum Telescoping Ladder. The high customer ratings demanded every bit of our attention. Not only did this telescoping ladder serve all our requirements, but it also took care of our safety concerns. To ensure a safe experience, the ladder feet have been designed to be sturdy and slip-resistant. In addition, the extra wide bottom ends provide extensive grip and support. Undoubtedly, the versatility of the MT-22 makes this aluminum extension ladder product our top pick. Besides the normal extension mode, this telescoping ladder can also be used as a twin step and stairway step ladder. What's more, the step ladder allows double carry, with 300 pounds carrying capacity on each side. Its 28 working positions help in reaching the highest points of the construction for all those cleaning, painting or fitting tasks. Even if you have never used a telescoping ladder before, the smooth curved rails of the MT-22 telescoping ladder will make your climbing safe and comfortable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.